What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tools Informer. We've rounded up the best multi-process welders to help you piece your metal workpieces together. More information is in the links in the description below. Usually you will need a welding unit that welds various metals to fuse them. And there's no better welding unit than a multi-process welder. But you want to opt for the best unit for the best performance. And that's what today's video covers. So, here are the top 5 picks for the best multi-process welders. WeldPro Multi-Process Welder. This WeldPro MIG 200 GD-SV is a multi-process welder capable of performing MIG, TIG, and arc stick welding processes, making it a versatile welding unit. What's more impressive, this inverter welder auto-adjusts voltage and wire speed to take the worry of adjusting these functions out of the welding process. But you can fine-tune voltage for a welding result you desire. As a flagship inverter welder from WeldPro, this is a dual voltage unit capable of connecting to a 110 or 220 volt outlet. While this WeldPro unit is compact and lightweight, it delivers high power due to the IGBT inverter technology on board. Also, it features an advanced inductive setting for smoother welds with no or less spatter, and the result of this cleaner MIG, lift, TIG, and stick welds. Besides, this unit is powerful as it boasts a 200 amp output. This makes it powerful enough to perform all welds with equal excellence. At the same time, this welder features a dual digital display for setting the wire speed and amperage more conveniently. And the display also allows you to achieve the same weld quality every time. So, this dual digital display comes in handy to improve the performance of this WeldPro unit. With the advanced DC lift TIG feature making the TIG brazing technique possible, this welder allows for the brazing of different metals. You can even weld aluminum metals in the MIG mode, since this welder is compatible with a spool gun. But this component is optional, so you will buy it separately. You also get 2T and 4T modes and everything you need for quality welds. Therefore, this is the best multi-process welder for versatility. Forney Multi-Process Welder. Forney Easy Weld 140 MP welder is an incredibly durable multi-process welder, ready to take on any worksite condition. And that's due to its all-metal case to make it rugged and protected against harsh worksite conditions. Also, its metal wire drive assembly will handle any tough condition you throw at it. Away from durability, this welder features controls for the voltage and wire speed. What's incredible is the controls allow for infinite voltage and wire feed speed adjustments. As a result, this multi-process welder can handle big welding projects demanding 2 to 10 pounds of wire rolls. Since it boasts a 3-in-1 design, it performs MIG welding, stick welding, and DC TIG welding. However, it doesn't include accessories for DC TIG welding. When performing MIG welds, this unit can weld 1/4 inch mild steel effortlessly in a single pass. What's more impressive, it packs 140 amp power to perform both mild steel and flux core welding. However, it requires a gas setup to perform the mild steel welds. Also, you can do TIG welds after buying a torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes, and gas setup. With a stinger and ground clamp included in the package, this welder comes in handy for stick welds. Also, it works with electrodes up to 1/8 inch thick. And the best part is you can switch from one welding process to another in a single flick of the 3-position switch featured on this unit. Therefore, this is the best multi-process welder to consider if you want another versatile option. Besides, it includes essential accessories to perform your welds. Lincoln Multi-Process Welder. This Lincoln Multi-Process Welder is portable as it weighs 40 pounds. Also, it's a multi-process welder allowing you to perform MIG, stick, TIG, and flux cord welding. It is also a dual voltage unit capable of connecting to your 120 or 230 volt wall outlet, and this makes it usable almost anywhere on this planet. Another upside of this multi-process welder is its intuitive control panel. This unit features easy-to-use push and turn digital controls to make it easy to set up and begin welding your metal workpieces. It even features a large color display to guide you through the setup process, and this eases the setup even further. The controls and digital display make access to advanced options and settings straightforward. Durability is also impressive, with this unit featuring an all-metal wire drive and a strong sheet metal construction. Therefore, it will handle the rough treatment at your worksite. It is also a powerful multi-process welder with incredible 210 amp output. Since it features the touch start TIG technology, it performs DC TIG welds excellently. Also, as we've already mentioned, this unit performs DC stick welds while using DC stick up to 5/32 inches thick. And MIG welds handle various metals, such as 5/16" stainless steel and 3/16" aluminum. You can also tackle big flux cord welds, since this unit has the power to do so. Therefore, it's the best multi-process welder for novices, hobbyists, and contractors. However, it has a high price tag that's out of reach for beginners. Everlast Power Equipment Multi-Process Welder. This Everlast Power Equipment Multi-Process Welder is new and improved to weld your TIG, MIG, and stick metals. And this makes it another best multi-process welder for versatility. As a multi-process welder unit, this machine boasts a standard MIG operation resulting from easy-to-adjust MIG waveform control feature. Additionally, this unit comes with a 15 series MIG gun included in the package. And this gun is easy to connect as it features a 10-foot cable with European-style quick connect fitting. Since welding MIG metals requires 240 volts at 200 amps, you want to connect this unit to an outlet supplying 240 volt electricity. Also, this unit welds TIG metals excellently. It features controls for adjusting TIG up and downslope. Also, this unit features high-frequency start and lift modes, allowing you to control the welding cycle excellently. And to weld your TIG metals, this unit comes with a 26 series TIG torch included in the package. And this torch has a 12-foot cord attached to it, with the other end having a 5 series DINS style connector. Also, this unit includes a foot pedal. But what's impressive is this TIG welding function is a dual voltage as it consumes 120 or 240 volts at 125 and 200 amps respectively. Stick welding is the final function, and this unit is feature-laden to weld your stick metals. For one thing, you can control the arc force for the perfect stick welding performance. You also get an electrode holder with a 10-foot cable attached to it, and this cable features a 35 series DINS style connector. Also, this welder can store your favorite settings since it features a 9-channel memory function. These features make this another best multi-process welder to consider, but its high price tag makes it out of reach for beginners. ESAB Rebel Multi-Process Welder. ESAB Rebel EMP 215IC Multi-Process Welder is versatile as it can weld MIG, flux cord, and stick metals. Also, it performs lift TIG welds to boost its versatile performance. But what makes it stand out is its MIG technology. As a result of this technology, this welder boasts a dynamic arc control that meets your welding technique. And this results in smooth and superior welds. So this makes this welding unit best for professionals. What's also impressive is this welder features 2 modes, basic and advanced modes. You will use the basic mode to set the wire diameter and welding materials thickness. At the same time, you can use the advanced mode to control the arc performance. Besides, this unit has an innovative display with unmatched pixel density, and the result of this display is a clearer view of the TFT screen. Some items displayed on the screen are the user manual and spare parts lists. The overall design is also unique, with this unit featuring a 5-hand roll cage. Also, it features a unibody steel construction for durability and exceptional performance. But it remains lightweight and comes backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Everything you need to weld various metals comes included in the package. Twetco Fusion, 180 MIG gun, TIG torch, Victor gas regulator, and electrode holder. Therefore, this is a unit worth considering. However, it is an expensive unit, but its exceptional performance makes up for the high cost. Therefore, it is a worthy investment. That's the end of this review of the best multi-process welders. Whether you're a contractor, hobbyist, or enthusiast, the best multi-process welder will serve you excellently to fuse your metal workpieces. We hope finding the best welding unit for your timely project completion is easier now than ever. If you already own one of the units reviewed in this video, why don't you share your experience with us in the comment section below? Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.